Investment and market shifts can happen in the blink of an eye, like a high-speed sports match. Take, for instance, SVF Growth, the venture capital fund owned by Japan's Softbank. On December 8th, they made their exit from Zomato, the food delivery titan, via open market transactions. They sold off their remaining shares at an average price of Rs 120.5 per share. This isn't the first time, as on October 20th, they had sold shares at an average price of Rs 111.2 per share. Not to be left behind, Alipay Singapore Holding, owned by the Ant Group, also exited Zomato last month. Two big players out of the game in less than 2 weeks. This exit strategy has seen the stock surge by a whopping 151% from its January low. In the meantime, GMR Airports Infrastructure is witnessing action, with its stock surging over 11%. New players like GQG Partners and Goldman Sachs Trust have stepped in, buying up equity shares. The game of investment is ever evolving, with players entering and exiting like a thrilling sports match. Stay tuned for more market updates.